Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Incolorwig again. I'm trying out a wig from them for the second time. I must say, the first time I was so pleased with the hair quality. It was absolutely gorgeous, and so I'm looking forward to this wig today. It has all their social medias listed as usual, same packaging as last time. Open the box and I see my wig. And then I also got a wig cap and a extra elastic band. So this is the wig that we're working with today. This is 20 inches long. Since 2021, I've actually showed you guys a lot of wigs with this kind of streaked vibe. And I must admit, I actually love this color or color combination or color styling a lot. Now this, taking it out, looking at the construction, already I can say I'm going to love the install. It looks like it's going to lay flat. It comes with a center part and it's already laying so nicely. They layered the wig. It's also a 13x4 lace front wig. It came with the center part, but you can really part it anywhere that you like. It has 3 combs on the inside and adjustable straps in the back, and it's pretty standard cap construction. Looks good. The lace is a medium brown color and the knots they look lightly bleached. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. I'm really happy to do a pullback vibe, like center part vibe with this, so that's what I'm gonna do. So let's jump into installing this gorgeous wig.
Sky, I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to stay the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever. So jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Goodbye, fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to stay the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever. So jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together.
I'm always straightening this kind of wig when I get it, so I'm going to add some one curls to it today. I'm gonna add some waves to it today. I love how they layered it. So I'm not doing no swoops either, so I'm just going to take my time, use my wax stick and my hot comb. If you're gonna do this, be careful because you don't want to burn yourself or anything like that.
sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say tonight again. And hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts. So jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. I wanna run away with you. Let's run away together. Let's run away. Let's run away together. Let's run away. Swear we'd never say goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say the night again. And hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts. So
I'm done with curling it up, curling up the wig. So I'm just gonna unravel these curls. It didn't take long at all to do this.
So jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together.
So I didn't even add any swoops. It would have been really nice, but you know, from time to time, you know, I don't do any swoops at all, just to switch up the look. Can't do baby ear every day though. This fall, you see how beautiful these curls are falling? That's because of the layers that the wig came with. Like, I didn't add any more layers to it. It's what was already there, what they did. So that's nice. So guys, that's literally it for how this wig look turned out. It's straight hair. So as I mentioned before in like a previous video, I said like with straight hair, it's highly expected that the curls will fall quicker as opposed to like body wave or loose wavy hair. You know, it will definitely fall quicker. So like if you're going to an event, or if you're just going to wear it for a long time period, just you can use after you make it fall how you want, like how you see me playing with it and stuff. After you're done with all of that, you can just take some holding spray. It don't matter what brand, as long as it's holding spray, and then you just spray it over the hair just lightly to hold everything in place, you know, and that should do the trick with making it last, your curls last on straight texture, and you'll be fine. I'm going to be sure to add the link to this wig in my description box, as well as the specifications, all that good stuff. Incolorwig, shout out to you. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching as usual. I know I'm just here just spitting out wig looks to you. Like I know, like I'm your girl. When you want to know which wig to get, how to just switch up your look, I'm your girl, Petite, me, yes, over here. So I thank you guys so much for continuing to support me. That's it for now. So just go and big up on yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video.